Hello all, good morning to all of you and welcome you all in the next lecture of set theory. So today we will start the ordered pair. An ordered pair of elements small a and small b, where small a is designated as the first element and b as the second element, and it is denoted by this a comma b in a small bracket. So that is called the ordered pair. In particular, the ordered pair AB, if it is equals to the ordered pair CD, they are equal if and only if first element A is equals to C and the second element B is equals to D. So hence it concludes that the ordered pair AB is not equals to ordered pair BA. They are equal only if and only if A is equals to B, otherwise they are not equal. So this constructs with the sets where the order of elements is irrelevant. For example, if it is a set 3, 5 and set 5, 3, they are equal as they are set and the order of elements doesn't matter there. But in case of ordered pair, the order or the order of elements that matters. So here AB is not equals to B unless A is equals to B. Now come to the product sets. Product sets or Cartesian product of two sets. Consider there are two arbitrary sets, capital A and capital B, and the set of all ordered pairs AB, where the first element belongs to the set capital A and the second element B that belongs to capital B. This is called the product or Cartesian product of the sets A and B, and that is denoted by the symbol A cross B. So in the mathematical notation, the Cartesian product of two sets A and B, that is A cross B, is equals to the set of all ordered pairs AB, where A belongs to the first set and B belongs to the second set. If you are finding out the Cartesian product of A cross A, then it is usually denoted by A square. Let us consider an example. Suppose capital R, that denotes the set of real numbers, right? And then R square is R cross R, that is the set of all ordered pairs of real numbers. That is the usual ordered pairs of or the Cartesian product of the real numbers in the mathematical terms. So we are familiar with the geometrical representation of R square. Suppose this is the geometrical representation of R square as the points in the plane. It is shown in this figure. Here each point P that represent that point P, this represents an ordered pair. This is A comma B of real numbers, and the vertical line, this is the vertical line through P, meets the x-axis at small a, and the horizontal line that meets the y-axis at the point B. So that is called the Cartesian plane in R2 or R square. In the next example, let us consider capital A. Capital A is a set 1, 2, and with the set B, this is given as ABC. Then find out the Cartesian products A cross B, B cross A, and A cross A. So first of all, we are finding out A cross B. A cross B means set of all ordered pairs where the first element will belong to the set A and the second element will belong to the set B. So we will write down that one. 1 at the first place and A at the second place, that is the first ordered pair. Then again 1 and the second element of the set B, so 1B, similarly 1C. And for the second element of A, it is 2, and for all the three elements of B, it will be 2A, 2B and 2C. So that is the Cartesian product A cross B. Similarly B cross A. B cross A means now the first position of the elements will be for the set B. Now it is A, B and C, they will be at the first place, and the elements 1 and 2, they will be at the second place. So all the ordered pairs here will be A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. Similarly here A cross A, that means now both belong to the same set. So that will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2. So these are the Cartesian products. From this result we can observe here that A cross B is not equals to B cross A. That means Cartesian product that is not commutative, right? And the number of elements in A cross B. The number of elements in A cross B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And this is equals to the number of elements in A, which is 2 here, 1 and 2, that means total 2 elements are there, and the number of elements in B, they are total in 3. So 2 into 3, 6. So that means number of elements in the Cartesian product of two sets is equals to the product of the number of elements in the individual sets. In this example, we have considered 3 sets. Okay. Set A is 1, 2, set B contains x, y and z, and the set C it is 3 and 4. Here we have to find out the Cartesian product A cross B cross C. So that is A cross B cross C, it consists of all ordered triplets, since there are 3 sets. For the 2, that was the ordered pair, now it is ordered triplet set. So the triplets will be A, B, C, where A belongs to the first set capital A, B belongs to the second set capital B, and C belongs to the third set capital C. So the elements of that one, that is to be obtained by a so-called tree diagram. This is shown in this figure. Here first of all the elements of A, this is 1 and 2, the elements of A. Then for A cross B, that means that element first will operate with all the elements of B. So 1 will go with x, y and z. Similarly 2 will go with x, y and z. Now this is the A cross B. Now this A cross B will apply on the set C. C contains 2 elements 3, 4. So that will go with the all the elements of A cross B. So x will go to 3 and 4, y with 3 and 4, s, z go to 3 and 4. Similarly here for the element 2. So here the set is, the triplet will be 1, x, 3, the first triplet. Second 1, x and that 4, 1x, 4. Similarly 1, y, 3 for this triplet, 1, y, 4 for the next one, and 1 z 3 the next one, and 1 z 4 this one for the first element or the first place of the element as 1. Similarly for the 2 we will find out all the elements or the triplet here. So this is called the tree diagram. So total there are 12 ordered triplets, and as you can verify here that in A there are 2 elements, in B there are 3, and in C there are 2. So again the number of elements in the Cartesian product of A, B and C, they are 12, and 12 is equals to the number of element in A, 2 into 3 into 2, 2 into 3 6 into 2 12. Here another example is find out x and y, and given the condition that 2 ordered pairs are equal, but in the first place here it is 2x, here it is 6, and here second place x plus y, and here the right side it is 2. So as you know that 2 ordered pairs are equal if and only if the first element or the element in the first place in both the ordered pairs are equal. So by that condition that 2x is equals to 6 and this x plus y is equal to 2. So from here you are having 2 equations and 2 unknowns. Solve that and get the answer as x equal 3 and y equal minus 1. So that's all for the today's one. Thank you.